Well, I'm Peter Borschberg. I am an associate professor in the Department of History at the National University of Singapore. Most people who come to Singapore will know the port and possibly also the world famous airport. They may at some stage also come to the Raffles Hotel and learn there that it is named after Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles of the East India Company, who founded the British Trading Post in 1819. It is said that Singapore was an abandoned place, forgotten by time. But I'm going to demonstrate that it has a much deeper and longer history. If you watch my lecture, I want you to walk away knowing that Singapore has a longer history that predates 1819. Raffles didn't discover either the location of Singapore or its potential as a trading emporium. That had been recognized long before. As a second takeaway, I want viewers to appreciate that Singapore was everything but a forgotten place, and that it fulfilled different functions at different points in time.